Hi guys, so here we are. We're going to have a go at the Guillow's Bird Dog 2023 competition trimming session, and hopefully it won't break and we'll get our 20 seconds. I'm going to try 800 turns. I've had to re-braid the motor because it came off the hook. It's come out a bit.
You took the down thingy, or you're leaving it?
No, I'm leaving it, yep. Here we go then, guys. Official Guillow's Bird Dog Flight 2023. Are you ready to count?
Yeah.
Looking good. I think we're 10 seconds in. Looking very good. I think we've done it, darling, haven't we?
I make it 18.
And down. I'll tell you what, guys, this model is so much better straight out of the box than the other one. 2 years ago I was spent evening after evening after evening trying to get it to fly. But this one, whether it's the lack of tissue under the wings, I don't know. But a bit of fun. We'll give it another go. That was quite a few turns, wasn't it? 800. Hit the little like button, the thumbs up button that is down below the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.